Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive decals with a special focus on one that's been turning heads. The Boy Mom Love Heart MKR Decal Vinyl Sticker. If you're a proud boy mom, this sticker is a must-have for your collection. Crafted by JUSTSWAG, this decal speaks volumes with its simple yet powerful design. A heartwarming declaration of love for your boys. What makes this sticker stand out? Let's break it down. First off, it's made of high-quality vinyl, ensuring durability that lasts through all weather conditions. Whether it's rain, sun, or snow, this sticker holds strong. Sized at 5.5 by 3.8 inches, it's perfect for adorning your car, truck, van, laptop, or even your walls. Wherever you go, let the world know your pride in being a boy mom. And here's the kicker, it's waterproof. So, whether you're washing your car or caught in a sudden downpour, this sticker stays put, keeping your message clear and vibrant. Now, let's talk about affordability. Priced at just $7.95, it's a steal for such a high-quality product. But here's the catch. There are only a few left in stock, so you'll want to act fast to secure yours. In conclusion, the Boy Mom Love Heart MKR Decal Vinyl Sticker is more than just a sticker. It's a symbol of love, pride, and connection. So why wait? Head over to Amazon now and make this powerful statement yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy shopping!